cookie?
Yeah, absolutely. We're just doing one subscribe to the channel, one free cookie.
Man, I'll take it. I'm hungry.
Hey, why not? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm up early. So is Megan here, and we are at the Caffeine and Octane February event. It's going to be classic Ford, so this one should be really interesting. I thought we would change it up a little bit and do some self-promotion for the channel here. So I made a sign. Megan made a bunch of cookies, and so we're going to do every sub we get, you get a free cookie. One sub, one free cookie. And we'll see if we can hand them all out. We got 150 cookies that we're gonna hand out today, hopefully, and we'll see how it goes. Let's get it started. 30 minutes to showtime, boys and girls. We got our heater pads here, hot pads, because it is so cold, 32 degrees. But we're gonna survive. I can't wait to start handing these out. 30 minutes till showtime. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. 7:35. There's a lot of people walking around already, so no time like the present, I guess. Why don't we just get started and start handing these cookies out? I don't know. I hope they like it. All right, guys. So this is the sign. Look at that. This is my 5th grade art skills coming out. So we're going to post this up on the front of the car over here and then see if people want some cookies. Look at all we got in here. Some are shuffled around because I was doing some evasive maneuvers to get here on time. But yeah. All those cookies are thanks to Megan. So let's get started. All right, what do you guys think? Let's see if it works. Hope so. You guys want a cookie? All right, no worries. It's early, I get it. Okay, 5 minutes in. So far, people seem a little nervous that there's free cookies maybe, or they're a little, I don't know, a little nervous. People keep kind of walking away, so they're scared. So maybe I'm gonna walk away. Let's go look at some of the cars real quick and we'll come back and check in on this. Maybe if more people start taking them, then it'll be kind of a chain reaction. So I hope so anyway. I didn't do anything to them, I just made them. Megan made them.
Yeah.
All right, we're back in the car. It is freezing. We have to take like 5 minutes and warm up because it is cold. So yeah, it's working though. There's people actually doing it. So there's more. Do it. Yeah.
Question, can we interview you for our YouTube?
Sure, that's fine. I'm just posting that. Let me turn this off real quick. So how's it going? Good. Good. I gotta set this up somewhere. At this point, we're about an hour into Caffeine and Octane, and this is when it really started picking up. We were meeting a lot of great people, talking cars, talking about the Mustang, talking about the channel in general, and it was going way better than expected. Before we knew it, we had to bring out another batch. All right, we gotta fill it up again here. It's going pretty good. You guys want a cookie at all? No. All right, guys, it's going pretty good. So far, we're losing the YouTube stickers here, or the printout. It's about to fly off, but so far it's going good, and we're getting some people actually subscribing to the channel. This is actually a pretty good idea, if I don't say so myself. I think it's cool. It's cool to meet so many people. So we're gonna keep it going and see if we can get rid of all these cookies by the end of Caffeine and Octane. Let's do it. Oh, my back. All right, so far far, Megan's going to get me a coffee right now, and I gotta restock the cookies. We are almost out again, guys. It's going so well. People seem to be liking it, so here we go. On to the next batch. Oh, look at what Megan got me. Thanks so much. Save the day. It is so cold out here. I'm shaking, but it's been awesome. I think so far we've got like 60 subscribers actually to the channel, so that's pretty cool.
At the last minute?
I got a couple more actually, but I just filled it up.
Nice.
And we got a few more, but that's the last bin.
Okay, that's
so good. That's pretty cool. So wow,
nice.
We're just over 1,100 now, so that's pretty neat.
That's crazy.
I'm loving it. Yeah. Free cookie?
Free cookie.
Yeah, absolutely. We're just doing one subscribe to the channel, one free cookie.
Man, I'll take it. I'm hungry here.
Hey, why not? My wife made them yesterday.
Yeah,
so.
Let's go. What's the channel?
It's Daily Driven.
Okay.
That's the one, right up top, man.
There you go, my man.
Sweet,
yes,
I
sir.
appreciate it.
Appreciate you
Thanks so
guys,
much.
man. You gotta take it easy.
Yeah, enjoy. Nice. Cool. It's going pretty good. This is the last of the cookies here, and my sign is falling apart. But it's about 10:10. Caffeine and Octane wraps up at 11, and I still gotta check out the rest of the show. So we're gonna hang out here for a few more minutes, and then we'll probably, you know,
Walk around.
probably call it, go walk around, because I gotta see the other cars. There's already cars leaving, guys. But so far, it's been a complete success in my mind. And we've met some really cool people. So if you guys are here today, make sure to comment down below. It was great meeting you. This, guys, is how you do it. Look at this.
That's nice.
Normally fire in this area is not a good sign, but that's perfect. Guys, all of them. Every container we filled with cookies is now empty. I think that was a huge success. So super cool meeting everybody. We are frozen to the bone, but all the cookies are gone, and we got to meet a lot of cool people. So that was awesome. At one point we just left the sign and the cookies out on the front of the car, and let people take what they wanted, and because I had to see the rest of the show. So now we're on our way back, packing it all up, and yeah, super cool. This is definitely one of my favorite ones that we've ever done. So
Looks like I'm baking again.
yeah, looks like you're baking again. Guys, well, that is gonna wrap up this month's Caffeine and Octane event. I think this is a complete success. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? We're definitely gonna do this again, and I just stepped on something on the ground. You guys have a great day. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye.